IEQ, indoor environmental quality or indoor air quality, should be the fundamental human right. Why I say that? Because I saw all the design practices. What is construction drawing? Construction drawing from mechanical engineering per is bunch of ductwork, designing a air handler, then laying down the ducts and punching the diffusers on those ducts, maybe returns somewhere, and done. The mechanical engineering drawing is done. And I said, well, the real world is under the ceiling. We live under the ducts. What happens to me in my chair here in my office has nothing to do with what air handler I have, maybe remotely, but not directly. And then I said, I need to put the microscope on the people where they live, where they sit, where they work, where they sleep, and understand what is the role of air movement around them. And have this excellent tool in my hand, which is computational fluid dynamics. There are believers and non-believers, correct? Skeptics.
Well, like Adam said, he has some skepticism, and we have.
Yeah, you should have.
Absolutely, yeah.